Okay, so we draw our parentheses. Equal to 0. N times n gives me n squared. We look at the last number here, negative 15, and we think of the ways to create negative 15. There's negative 15 times 1. There's positive 15 times negative 1. Notice it's not negative 15 times negative 1 because a negative times a negative will give me positive. So only one of these two factors can be negative at a time. So you switch them, right? If the first one's negative, the second one, if the first one is negative 15, the second one is negative 1. We could also have 5 times 3, but one of them needs to be negative. So now let's switch it. Let's make the 3 negative. Okay? So we have these factors. Those are all that I can think of for negative 15. So we add them up, and I get negative 14. I have positive 14, negative 2, and positive 2. So looking at this column here, I'm trying to match it with my middle number. My middle number is 2. So that's positive 2. These are the factors that I need to choose. So positive 5 and negative 3. We then take each of these factors. N plus 5 is equal to 0, and n minus 3 is equal to 0. You set the first, well, yeah, I already said that, sorry. So here you're trying to solve for n. You subtract 5, n equals negative 5. And then the second problem. So you add 3 and add 3, n equals 3. It's starting to get late at my house, so I don't know, I'm making a lot of mistakes it seems, but these are my two answers, and if you'd like, you can check it. That was covered with question number 2, I believe, if you want to see how to check your work. But let's stop here.